The TrueClot Inguinal Packing Trainer is a wearable training device designed to simulate junctional hemorrhages and severe bleeding in areas where traditional tourniquet application is not feasible, such as the groin. This trainer provides medical personnel and first responders with realistic hands-on experience in advanced wound packing techniques essential for effective hemorrhage control in these critical regions. The trainer is intended to be worn by a live actor, allowing trainees to practice wound packing on a moving individual. This dynamic setup enhances the realism of training scenarios, better preparing responders for real-life situations. Equipped with a bleeding system, the device can simulate active hemorrhage, enabling trainees to experience the pressure and urgency of controlling actual bleeding. Made from high-quality materials, the trainer is designed for repeated use, ensuring a long life and reliability in various training environments. The trainer accurately replicates the inguinal region's anatomy, providing a realistic platform for practicing wound packing techniques unique to junctional areas. Trainees can develop and refine their skills in packing wounds located in the junctional areas where tourniquets are ineffective. The trainer allows for the practice of controlling severe bleeding through proper packing and pressure application, which is critical in emergency medical response. Incorporating the wearable trainer into simulation exercises enhances the realism of training scenarios, improves the preparation and confidence of medical personnel and first responders.